Okay, so we're going to go ahead and continue on with the second person. Let me open that up so you can see that. And what we're going to do here is put, I guess, for the midsection, the body section on today. So let me go ahead and create a sketch here. And again, we will want to make that rectangle and fit it on top there. Find that center. There we go. And let's see. The first one needs to be the larger of the two, 0.6 tab and 0.4 tab, and then hit enter. There we go. And so that is good. And then we do want to take off construction line. We'll go with the ellipse again. Find the center. Go straight to there. And straight out to there. And that will be the bottom part. And we will hit escape. And then finish the sketch. Okay. So we've got that set up. Now we need to get the one that's in the center, and that has to be a certain distance away. Okay, so that distance away needs to be, what did I come up with? 0.36. So we're going to do an offset plane from that surface, and that needs to be 0.36, and then hit enter. And from that, we do want to create a sketch on that. So we'll create a sketch, and it's at the right distance away. We can take a look at that just to show you that that's the right distance we want it away. Click on front again, and we will want to use the same strategy using the rectangle, the center point. Go from there, and it will be smaller. And the longer side is 0.39, tab 0.31, tab, and then enter. There we go. And we'll make this just a little bit bigger so we can see it. We've got a lot of different lines going on there, but that's okay. Just try to keep them straight from there to there and to there. So you can see we have two ovals, a couple different footballs or eggs, and we'll finish that sketch, and then we're going to loft material between those two. So we'll choose this section first, and we'll click to add, and we'll add that section on next. Oh, and we'll click to add, and we'll choose that. Okay, so it's not liking that idea too much right now. Let's go ahead and try it one more time. We want to loft this, click to add, to that, and it is not working. Okay, so let me go ahead and stop this video for a second. Okay, so it's a little tricky using the loft. So what we want to do is we'll choose here, and we'll choose there, and we'll choose there. So we've clicked it 3 different times, and then click to add, and then choose this oval, and then it seems to work. So it's just a little bit tricky. You had to click it a couple different times, 3 times actually, to get that body correct. And now what we want to do is we will want to, I think I'd like to get rid of the visibility of that. And we will need to draw another oval, even though there is one right there. And then we'll have to create, so let's create a sketch right here. And we'll just draw this ellipse. It's going to go from here Okay, let's try that again. There we go. Sometimes you just have to work with it a little bit and then it comes around. And we'll finish that sketch. So we have something right there to go to. And then we will do another offset plane from here. And that needs to be offset by 0.34. And then hit enter. And then we will create sketch on that plane, very much so like we did before. And so from that particular plane, the top needs to be 0.54 by 0.76. So let's go ahead and use a construction line, do the rectangle, and we'll just make it nice and big so I can see it. 0.76, tab, 0.54, tab, and then enter. That's correct. 0.54, and that's good. And we'll take off the construction line. We'll go with the ellipse. Find the center, go straight up to there, and straight over to here. And then we'll finish the sketch. Now with that done, we should be able to, if it works, to loft. We'll choose that. And we will click Add Sketch. And then say OK. There we go. So that worked out okay. It caught that edge. And we have that done. All right, so we've got that section done. And the next one I want to do will be rounding off those shoulders. But I think I do want to click on that plane and get rid of the visibility on that. Okay, so let's go ahead and save that for right now. We're going to do this step by step. And we'll go ahead and pause.